This video will show you how to make use of the point of sale module in Kanak Books. It will help you generate bills at POS counters and track sales. The POS module is disabled by default. Therefore, go to Preferences and enable it. Check the point of sale checkbox and hit the Save button to enable POS in Kanak Books. Once enabled, a new option for POS will be visible in the drawer. Click Fast Billing option to move to the POS billing screen. You will be presented with a Connection Failed pop-up. POS billing requires a service to be running in your machine. This service can be downloaded and installed in your system by clicking the given link. It is mandatory to install the software to print POS bills from your machine. Download the zip file and install it by following the respective steps asked at the time of installation. After installing the POS client service, log out and log in back to Kanak Books. Now, when you go to the fast billing screen, you will be asked to configure your machine for fast billing. Provide a unique number for the POS counter. Select the printer from the available list of printers. Select the width of the paper on which the bill is printed. Currently, only 58 mm and 80 mm width papers are supported. Click and select an item from the drop-down to add it to the item table. You will be able to see the change in total on the right-hand side. The focus will be automatically changed to the next row on adding an item. Click the Print button to save and print the bill. Select Bills option from the drawer to view the bills generated in your POS counter. Click on the bill number to view it. Click on the share icon above the bill to send the bill to a phone number via WhatsApp. You may enter the mobile phone number in the corresponding field and hit Share button to complete sharing. Select Overview option to move to the POS overview screen. You will be able to view the total sales made on a selected period and the item sales report here. Click on the Clear Table button to clear the rows in the item table. You can also edit the quantity, rate and tax of the item added in the table. Click on the search icon to do an advanced search. Click on the Config button to change the POS configuration. Unique number for the POS cannot be changed once saved. You can also share the bill before printing by clicking the Share button. Use the Sync button to upload the POS bills to the server. Click Preferences button to move to the POS Preferences screen. Let's enable item level discounts and adjustments. The discount column is now visible. You can enter the adjustment value in the total card. Now, let's enable calculator. This will display a calculator in the fast billing screen. Let's enable categorized view. This will completely change the look and feel of fast billing screen. Categorized view is helpful when you want to quickly add items to the bill. Click on the bubble with the item name to add it to the bill. When transaction level discount is enabled, you can choose to enter discount before or after tax in the total card. Let's now enable the preference to separate item insertion. This will let you add items with a custom quantity from a card below the total card. Once the item is chosen and quantity entered, click Add Item button to add it to the bill. When Focus on Quantity preference is enabled, after adding an item to the table, the focus automatically shifts to the quantity cell. Let's enable Increase Quantity for duplicate items preference. Now, when a duplicate item is added in the item table, a new row won't be added. Only the quantity of the existing item row incremented.